How are you all? I hope you are blessed and highly favored. Once again, welcome to mathematics class, and I'm still your facilitator, Sir Charles Cromwell, Chief Nzonzo Ina 1, as you guys call me. We are going to continue with our last week indicator. We know we are in what rounding of numbers, and last week we did rounding numbers to the nearest 10,000. Today we are going to round the numbers to the nearest 1,000. That is rounding numbers to the nearest 1,000. And I told you guys about using the same rules. I hope you know the rules. When you are rounding numbers to the nearest 10,000, the rules that we use is the same rules that we are going to use to round the numbers to the nearest 1,000. What's the first rule? The first rule is that when you identify the place and check the digit behind it, and it is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. What do? Add 1 to the number that you are running and change the rest to 0. Is that clear? Good. Then again, if you check the digit behind and it is below 5, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Change that digit behind the number that you are running itself because it is less than 5. Change that particular number and the rest towards 0. So that's what we are going to use to do today's work. So today we are not going to waste much time in our this indicator. Good. So we are running to the nearest 1,000. Let me give my writing the first example and let's see. So if in case we have like this and you have to run to the nearest 1,000. First of all, identify the place. So which place is 1,000? So we will count ones, tens, 100, and 1,000. So we underline the 1,000. Check the digit behind. The digit behind is 5. We know the rule already. If it is 5, add 1 to this 6. So the 6 will become what? 7. So let's write our answer. Our answer is going to be what? 3, 6, 7. And you change it to 0. So the 5 will become 0. This 6 will become 0. And the 8 will become 0. That is after adding the 1 to the 6. The 5 will change to 0. You know it already. And this one will become 0. Let's look at another example 2. Example 2. If we have 9, 0, 0, 1, 4, 3, and we have to run to the nearest 1,000, let's identify the 1,000 place quickly. We have ones, we have ones, tens, 100, and 1,000. So this is our 1,000. Check the digit behind. The digit behind is what? Is 1. And we know if the digit behind is 1, what do? We don't add 1. We don't add 1 to it, but rather we change the digit itself to 0. So our answer is going to be what? 9, 0, 0. This one will change to 0. The 4 will change to 0. And the 3 will also change to 0. Good. Let's look at our last example for today. You have to run, I like this example, to the nearest 1,000. So let's identify the 1,000. The digits are a bit more. I think we have 7 digits number over here. So we have 1, tens, 100, and 1,000. So we have 1,000 over here. Check the digit behind. The digit behind is what? It's 9. Now I told you if it is 9, you have to be very careful. Because when you add the 1 to this 9, it will give you 10. And you are not supposed to write all the 10 over here because there is digits in front. So you write the 0 and add the 1 to the 6. Add the 1 to the 6. So good, let's write our answer. Our answer will be what? 9, 4. This place I'm going to write 6. I hope you get it because if I add 1 to this, I'll get what? 10. Then the 10, I can't write all the 10 at this side. So I have to what? Bring this 1 to this place rather. That is why the 5 will change to what? 6. And this 9, you can see what is left over here. We have 0. This digit will change to 0. This 9 is 0, and already we have 0, so you add it to it. I hope it is clear. Well, you guys did very well when you were running it to the nearest 10,000. So let's use the same rule to do to the nearest 1,000. This brings us to the end of our today's lesson. I'll give you assignment as usual. You do it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.